machine, if you ask me. Look at these serrated washers in here. I take my hat off to it. It still needs some love, but hey, it's got a lot going for it. The motor has been done. We don't know who by, but hey, she fires up, the mag's working, and no, she'll make someone very happy. Here's the other bits. We've got some other bits that go with it. Here, the guards, and a bit of history, more mags. Yeah, so, no, all in all, a great Velocette project, and a terrific originality.